Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video I would like to show you how to use freeze pan in Excel. Okay, for example, you have a panel data like this. When you scroll down, you could not see this column header. Okay, when you scroll down, so that is a problem. So we want to keep it when we scroll up or scroll to the left. We want to keep something like that. Okay. So first of all, go to view and we have freeze pan right here. So just drop down. So they have three options. If you use freeze first column, so let's try this. So first column is freeze, but still it freeze like that. Only first column, right? So we don't want that. We just unfreeze it and then it back again. So let's go to another option, freeze top row. So only top row. Okay, so only first column, but you can insert another column if you want. Insert and then it's still there, right? If you want. But here we don't do that because it only the top. When we scroll to the right, it not keep this topic or keyword or stay still, so we don't want that. So we go to unfreeze. So the last option is freeze pan right here. So you may see something like this. So first of all, I just highlight this, click right here. So I want to keep this top row stay still and this column stay still, so I keep here. You click freeze pan, so the top row is stay still right here and to the left. Okay, so this column is keep. But what if you want these two want to stay still and the rest not? So just go to the top and unfreeze it first and then click resize here, freeze. So the top row is freeze and these two columns will be freeze when I scroll right here, see? So it is easy for you to keep your document or working on the document and the name or the topic is still right there. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.